Is everyone out there doing okay in all this cold weather? Well, let's get warmed up. Hey, everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. As you know by now, my name is Silly Chef Garby, and today we're gonna make an amazing, yummy treat that's gonna help us with all this cold temperature weather we're getting. Are you ready to see what we're gonna make? Okay, let's go. Okay, one of my favorite ways to stay warm in the cold season is to cozy up to a nice cup of hot cocoa. Yay! That's right, today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious, fresh, homemade hot cocoa from scratch without using one of these packets that's full of preservatives and junk and stuff. So we're gonna toss that aside, and I'm gonna show you how to make the best tasting homemade hot cocoa you've ever had. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, before we get started, let's go ahead and follow our 2 basic rules for cooking. Always wash your hands, and always with the grown-up. Are you ready to do rule number 1? Let's go!
Okay, here's the ingredients we're using for our hot cocoa today. We got some water, whole milk, sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and salt.
Okay, first thing we're gonna do is get this 1/3 cup of water to a little boil on medium-high heat. Once that boils up, we're gonna go ahead and add the sugar, the cocoa, and the pinch of salt. Okay, go up slightly on the heat to about a low, medium-low. And now it's time to add the milk. Okay, so now that it's at the heat I want, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat, add the vanilla extract, and give it a good stir. Okay, our cocoa's ready to drink. Now, I went ahead and put mine in this insulated French press. This is what I use for my coffee in the mornings. It's really great at keeping liquids nice and hot, and it's a great pouring device. So the hot cocoa is now in here. If you don't want to do this, then go ahead and just pour it directly into your mug right there from the pot. Okay, let's get this poured.
In goes the cocoa. Yay! That looks nice and rich. And then if you want a little extra fun, top it off with some whipped cream.
Cheers! I can tell you that is the best cup of cocoa I have ever tasted. The fresh ingredients make all the difference here. This is so delicious and really easy to do, really quick with just a few ingredients. And there you have it, kids, the best cup of hot cocoa you've ever had with just a few simple ingredients made right here at home. I think this is the fastest video we've ever done, and this will make you never want to touch that packet stuff again when you can make this at home from scratch yourself with the grown-ups' help. So please, if you like what Chef Garby is doing, like and subscribe, spread the word. I'm going to be making new videos all the time, and so I really would like your input on what to make. Parents, if you have a recipe you'd like to see me make for you or your little one, please send it in to this email below. Yours could be featured next. All right, everyone, until next time, see ya!